Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to scan a document on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So I'm provide two different ways. Just open your preview apps, then you get new document or scan document option. You just easily scan a document from here, or the another, open your note apps. Okay, just make two new tab and showing it to link icon. Just press on. As you can see, showing it to scan document. So you just take a document and easily scan this. Okay, now successfully scan this document. Just open this and I'm just resize. Press on adjust. Just resize this document. Press on right mark. So as you can see, now successfully scan this document same to same. Or if you want to copy this text from this scan, just long press, select all and press on copy. Now copy this text and I'm easily paste this text anywhere. Long press to paste. So as you can see, now this text same to same. Or if you want to save this, okay, go back, press on right mark. Now let's save this. So that's it.